Is it too bright for you?
Look at me. He's so cute.
Those are some big claws she's got.
Yeah. She climbs trees.
She doesn't need to fucking.
That's kind of.
Yeah. She doesn't need
She's
to
so
peel.
detailed. She leave the casca up.
That's crazy. Look how tiny she is. Look at my fist and look at her. She's fucking tiny as shit.
Someone say why you're baby. How y'all doing? I'm gonna shoot you. You should get the eyes so we can walk away. What happened?
She kind of like tried to brush me off.
Don't fuck her when she's eating, bro.
I'm trying to like knock her over, but her claw stuck on there. Ay, hijo de puta.
She'll fucking bite you.
Yeah. Yeah, she's mad concentrated.
Stop, dude. What are you doing, man?
Nice. I'm not pulling her or anything like that. Damn. That's all she wants to do.
I know. She loves sugar.
Holy shit. She's going nuts. She's going nuts. Where you going?
Stop, man.
I'm not doing anything. She's doing it. Say bye-bye.